everyone, welcome back to my channel Ielts Groomers with Urvashi Chopra, and today we'll be discussing few things that most students feel about reading. Why they think reading is the most toughest module? In today's video we'll discuss some tips and techniques that can be helpful for the students to crack their Ielts exam. So here are some reading tricks and techniques that we will be discussing one by one. The number one is skimming. Skimming basically involves a quick reading through the passage. So this technique is useful to basically get a sense of what the passage is about and then find the main topic and the purpose of the context, what it is about. The next technique is scanning, which involves looking for some keywords or some specific words in the paragraph. It helps you to find some specific questions and answers. So let's move to our third technique, that is predicting. It involves predicting the answers before reading the questions. So this technique basically helps you to save your time and energy. Important tip that I would recommend my student is avoid distractions. Yes, many students get distracted when they are reading the passage and get distracted by all those irrelevant detailed information, and then they are not able to allocate the right answers. So you should avoid all the distractions and focus on your keywords in the passage. Our next most important technique is time management. Make sure you manage your time wisely during the test so that you have enough time to read and answer all the questions of your passage. Last but not the least is to practice. The more you practice on your reading skills, the better output you'll get. Make sure you practice with different types of passages so that you can get an idea that what you'll expect in exam. I hope these tips are helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you.